Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about a switch which is known as a tactile switch. This type of switch is used where we need a momentary action. Momentary action means that the moment you will push the switch, it will function, and the moment you will release your hand, it will not work. So, before starting the circuit with this switch, first of all understand the inner structure of this switch. Now, if you see this switch, there are 4 legs in a switch. I'm just turning the switch to show you. See, there are 4 legs in a switch. Now, let's understand how these legs are interconnected. If you see the switch carefully, you will find there is a notch in a switch, this. Okay, so this notch, or you can say this lining, basically divide the switch in two parts. If I'll consider this line as a partition, then switch is divided into two parts, that this left part and this right part. So if I'll see this portion, then I can see this is a kind of lining and these two pins are connected internally, and similarly these two pins also connected internally, these two. If I name it 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2 are connected together and 3, 4 are connected together. But not this switch point is connected with this point, okay? Neither this. So if I have to place this switch on the breadboard, then what I will see this lining, and then I will just turn the switch like this, and I will have to push it anywhere on the breadboard. I can push it here, I can push it here, I can push it anywhere on the breadboard. But what I will suggest, just little bit of pull this legs of your switch and then push it like this. Okay, make sure the notch is in the perpendicular direction. This, where my finger is moving, the notch should be in this direction. If you place it in this way, then this is kind of wrong connection. You will not be able to make the proper connections. Okay, so I'll show you with the help of multimeter also that how these points are connected. Now I have to take a multimeter. Okay, I'm going to set it on continuity region, and as you can see there is a beep sound in my multimeter. It means we have set it into a continuity region. Now here is our switch. I'll put one probe on the any of the terminal of this switch and another to this way. See, if multimeter is showing a buzz sound, it means these 2 points are connected. But what if I'll connect this with this? See, we are not able to hear any kind of voice. It means these 2 points are not connected. What about these 2 terminals? If this and this the terminals, I am going to put it here just besides it. Again, I am not finding anything, any sort of sound. So it means this terminal is connected with this, not with this and this. Again, I am going to put it here, and I am going to put it here. We can again hear a buzz sound. It means these 2 points are again connected. So what I have said you earlier, these 2 points are connected together and these 2 points are connected together. Now let's start making a circuit with this switch. For making a circuit, what are the things we need? A battery connector, some jumper cable, LED. I have taken a 330 ohm resistor and a switch. Now I have inserted the switch. Now let's start taking the connections. So first of all, you have to take this LED and insert its one point on the breadboard like this. So I'm going to take this terminal, and I'm going to put my LED's positive terminal here and negative to any free space. Like this, I have connected. Now what you have to do, you have to take the connections from the positive and negative terminals of a battery. Now this is the positive. See, You can use some jumper cables also, but we are having enough length of this resistor that we can use directly. I'm using it from here, positive terminal, to the this first part of my this first terminal of my switch, and it's done. And now I have to make the negative connection for this. So I'll take a small jumper cable, take the connection from the negative end. Again, make sure you are taking the connection from these 5 ends because I have not connected these two halves together. Now let's insert the negative with the negative, and see, I can say my circuit is completed. Now let's see what will happen when I switch it on. Yes, my LED is glowing. When I remove my switch, my LED will not glow. Let's see the other terminals also. If I'll check with this terminal, as I said, these two are connected. If I'll connect it here and keeping my LED to this side, my positive to this side only, let's take another bigger jumper cable and take the connection from the negative terminal and make it on negative of our LED. See, again this light is glowing. Now let's check with this terminal. I have taken the positive from here to this side. Now negative is just besides this. Let's again check it. Again it is working. Okay. If I'll check it again to this side, then again this switch will work if I'll keep the negative over here. See. Okay. So I hope you understood the connection of this tactile switch and how you can use it any of the circuit. We'll meet in the next video with a new type of switch. Bye bye.